It would probably be fair to say that the Consumer Electronics Show, or CES, returned in 2022 with more of a sparkler sizzle than a firework bang. The theory was that the world's biggest annual technology show would end up returning to Las Vegas in January as an in-person event, following its digital-only affair in 2021. But due to a surge in the Omicron cases late last year, several tech giants from Google to Intel and Microsoft to Amazon, along with multiple media outlets, ended up backing out at the last minute from physically attending. CES 2022 wasn't as much of a spectacle as the huge tech show usually is, with many big-name companies ending up pulling out for safety reasons. But it still went ahead and didn't lack for innovation and mind-blowing new technologies. Welcome to another video from Top Tier Tech, where today we're going to share with you the ultimate list of the best tech from CES 2022. But before we get into all that, please make sure that you drop a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and also ding that notification bell. So, in no particular order, here is a list of the best and coolest tech from CES 2022 that we are super excited about. The Noveto N1 Smart Speaker. The Noveto N1 Smart Speaker has been dubbed the invisible headphones. The Noveto N1 soundbar uses ultrasound to target the listener's ears instead of blasting sound into the whole room. It's a novel solution to wearing a pair of wireless earbuds or headphones for hours on end, especially in a world of hybrid work and learning setups. If the soundbar lives up to the hype, the Noveto N1 will keep the sound and audio confined to the space around the listener. The only thing that anyone else will ever hear is a slight murmuring similar to what you get with someone loudly listening to music on some pair of headphones or earbuds. In addition to ultrasound, the Noveto N1 uses integrated head tracking technology so as to give listeners some level of 3D audio. If it all ends up working out as advertised, then this is going to end up being a cool way to ditch the 8-hour headphone sessions that some of us find ourselves doing during the ongoing pandemic. The BMW iX Flow featuring EE. The all-electric BMW iX is an impressive EV, but the German marque's new color-changing technology makes it even more so. The iX Flow featuring EE concept is covered in a special wrap that can change colors with a simple push of a button. So, how does it work? When an electric charge is applied to the wrap, embedded micropulses bring different pigments to the surface, allowing the vehicle to take on that color. Right now, the technology can only display black and white, but imagine the possibilities if BMW can find the formula to produce their other colors. The LG Media Chair and OLED X TVs. LG Display might have figured out a way to make the TV watching experience much more immersive than ever before. The brand's outrageous media chair concept is a luxurious recliner with a built-in 55-inch OLED display. The curved screen is positioned just feet away from your head, so that way you can't help but take it all in at once. You're in the throne-like device. The media chair is also equipped with vibrating sound tech, so you'll also be able to really feel what you're watching. If you're looking for a more traditional viewing experience, the brand's sister company, regular LG, also unveiled a new series of OLED X TVs that are brighter and much more precise than its other high-end definition sets. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. This fan edition has all the ingredients to be able to make it one of this year's best phones to look out for. Specifically, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is a flagship caliber smartphone without all of the typical flagship costs. There's a huge emphasis on content creation with this one, as it comes complete with a triple camera system on the back to cover all of the ranges, including a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Not to mention, it's got the ability to record from the front and rear cameras simultaneously, perfect for those times when you want to be on screen while showing something off. Best of all, it comes in at just $700. The Dell XPS 13 Plus. The Dell XPS 13 Plus is a polarizing choice for one of the best of the show, no doubt about it. Dell is pushing the envelope on its flagship brand, and there is sure to be some detractors. Dell has taken a scalpel to the XPS 13, removing a slew of features in the name of extreme streamlining. The result? We've now got the Dell XPS 13 Plus, which is a minimalistic, futuristic, modern fever dream with a focus on performance. The touchpad is now invisible, using haptics to be able to help users navigate their system. The spare ports and keys were sacrificed in favor of so much power, namely the 28-watt Intel 12th Gen processor, which helps to make the Plus Dell's most powerful flagship to date. Samsung's Freestyle Portable Projector. Samsung's Freestyle Projector is one of the most fun gadgets that were announced this year. While portable projectors in general are something that gets thrown around every single year at CES, the Freestyle claims that it stands apart from the rest of the models which have come out over the years. And for $900, it certainly should. With auto-focusing, auto-leveling, and auto-keytoning, which removes a lot of the typical frustrations with portable projectors, the Samsung Freestyle shows that it can really push the portable projector game into the future, which we all envision for them. The 1080p image can scale from 30 inches all the way up to 100 on any surface for a portable movie night or to make a flawless TikTok background. And at 550 lumens, it is reasonably bright, but you'll still want a dim or dark room for the best viewing. Now, the Freestyle is not just a projector. In fact, it uses the same software as the Samsung Smart TV models, with apps like Netflix and Amazon already being pre-installed. Samsung has even a lot of add-ons available for the Freestyle, which allows you to make it waterproof, add a battery pack, and even screw it into a standard light bulb socket for power. The Chevrolet Silverado EV. CES 2022 brought us a lot of innovative announcements from the automotive industry, from chameleon-skinned BMWs to sun-soaked 600-mile electric Mercedes. This year, though, arguably the king of the CES hill is Chevrolet Silverado's EV, which is an electrified pickup which is sure to give both global warming and rival EV company, the Ford F-150 Lightning, a run for their money. The Silverado is already one of America's most popular pickup trucks, having sold more than 500,000 in the US alone in 2021. Pickups and SUVs in general are far and away the best-selling vehicle types in the US. As various things like fuel prices and sea surface temperatures continue to rise, the prospect of driving over 400 miles using nothing but a battery has become a compelling feature for many drivers and automakers alike. The Samsung Odyssey Ark. If you've come across a curved monitor before, the Samsung Odyssey Ark 4K curved monitor is definitely going to draw your attention due to the fact of its innovative design. Now, curved monitors are definitely not something new, but Samsung is taking it to a whole nother level with a 55-inch Odyssey Ark. While the size alone is sure to garnish attention, as well as its curvature, this 55-inch monitor comes with a stand which allows you to flip the monitor vertically. Additionally, the panel features quantum dot color and mini LED backlighting. This ends up making up for some interesting experiences, especially when it comes to productivity and running different software at once. There's no price yet for this monstrous-sized curved monitor, but it is expected to be released sometime in the second half of 2022. The OPPO Air Glasses AR Eyewear. The OPPO Air Glass AR Eyewear is revolutionary as a piece of tech. OPPO describes the Air Glass as a, quote, assisted reality product, as opposed to augmented reality, meaning that it projects 2D information into your field of view rather than overlaying 3D objects into the real world. Equipped with advanced technology, the Spark micro projector and cutting-edge micro LED, this eyewear supports 4 different user interactions through voice, touch, and head movement, along with motion. As a result, you can access information faster and easier rather than reaching to your phone. The Bluetti NA300 and B480. You can finally stay warm all winter long with the Bluetti NA300 and B480 sodium-ion battery-powered stations. The NA300 boasts an impressive 3,000-watt sodium-ion battery, and what's more, the sleek design looks great anywhere you place it, and it's easy to move from one room to the next. It also features 4 20-amp plugs and one 30-amp L1430 output port with a 3,000-watt pure sine wave inverter. This way, the gadget can power most of your household appliances. The Actronika Skinetic Haptic VR Vest. You're going to be able to enhance your gaming experience with the Actronika Skin Haptic VR Vest. This wearable allows you to see, touch, and even hear all events which occur in virtual reality for an incomparable gaming session. Moreover, this haptic VR vest features 20 highly innovative voice coil motors throughout the torso to provide a wide variety of tactile sensations. To create a realistic experience, the designers optimized the feeling and perception of effects in-game. The pricing and availability of the product are yet to be announced. The Sleep Number 360 Smart Bed. You can always get a good night's sleep with Sleep Number beds, but its latest model can potentially save your life too. The new Sleep Number 360 Smart Bed, pegged for a 2023 release, will be the company's most ambitious project yet, because it's going to be able to monitor and detect nighttime events like insomnia, sleep apnea, temperature monitoring, and much more. Now, that's already on top of the other biometrics that its smart beds already track, like heart and breath rates. Detailed analysis of your sleep could even potentially be able to uncover health problems that you might not know about. So, what do you think about the latest tech from CES 2022? Don't forget to share your favorites with us in the comments below, and we hope you did find this video useful. Let us know what you think in the comments, and before you leave, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell. Until next time, guys, stay safe and stay informed.